Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. ADA continues to be in this sideways range and the price hasn't really been able to generate enough upside momentum to, well, to confirm that we are moving up in the orange scenario. So let me take you through the short-term bullish and short-term bearish potentials and scenarios. In the orange scenario, the price already bottomed in wave 2. The wave 2 is this correction which started here, middle of March. And the price might have bottomed there already in this wave 2. We could be already in the larger degree third wave to the upside. That might take us into the $2.30, $2.50 region. However, there's just not enough upside momentum to really confirm that in any way. So therefore, I'm very skeptical about this. It's possible though, but we need more upside momentum to sort of confirm that further. Okay, so what kind of upside momentum could that be? We need to see initially a break above the 51 cent level and ideally a reaction before the price breaks below 43.6 cents. A break below 43.6 cents would indicate that we are rather following the white count, the white scenario, which indicates that possibly here a triangle completed, but the triangle might not even be complete. The E wave would be very shallow. So it might be looking more like that, so that this fourth wave is still unfolding. Either way, with any triangle break, which would in this case involve a break to the downside, because triangles often break to the opposite side of the E wave, we need confirmation. And confirmation level is here the red line. So a break below 41.9 cents would give us some clarity that the price plans to move down in wave 5. I have to move it all to the right now because prices move on without doing much. So sideways time moves on and the prices don't do much. So there's a breakdown point that acts as a trigger and confirmation point for the downside movement. For now, we are holding above that line. We are also holding above micro Fibonacci support, which is also a sign of, which would be a sign of weakness if we break below that. So therefore, yeah, we continue to move sideways without any clues of where the price wants to go. I mentioned that for the last few weeks, really, that we don't really have that clarity yet, and the market doesn't seem to have it itself. So the bulls and the bears are still fighting in this range. What I would like to see to the upside, if we break above 51 cents, a follow through above 52.2 cents would be clearer. And then we would need to see the third wave reach 60 cents at least. And the fifth wave should reach 64.5 cents, which is the 1.618 extension. So these are the key levels to the upside that need to be reached. Yeah, I want to see in wave 3 the 1.38 extension, in wave 5 the 1.618 extension. At the same time, the red line needs to hold to keep the orange scenario in the game. Yeah, what can I say? If the price is turning around in the orange count, then this here would be a B wave pullback. Okay, so it's only possible as a diagonal pattern. Leading diagonal, that would be a wave 1 here to the upside. In this wave 1, we have a smaller wave 1, wave 2, then A, B, C in wave 3, a wave 4 and a wave 5. That would be a very positive pathway that could be followed. The problem is with as we only see 3 wave movements to the upside, we don't have very clear probabilities. That definitely makes interpretation more difficult. And I can't say clearly that we're moving up without seeing, you know, a breakout or a small 5-wave move. I can only indicate the potential and indicate where the price should ideally turn around, which would be in the current price region. If there is one more low, as I said, takes a break below 41.9 cents to confirm that. And then the price should test the area here between 36 cents and 38 cents. There are some Fibonacci levels there, Fibonacci confluence we call it, because they partially overlap, especially here the 2.618 extension, which is a projection level. It goes in line with the local downtrend, and it overlaps with the 61.8 retracement, both pointing towards the 36 cent area basically. Yeah? So that's all looking okay. So we already have a plan B, you know, if there is another low, but then ideally that next low is the last one. That next low is ideally the last one. And then from there, the price has a good chance to attempt another breakout to the upside. It's only important that the price doesn't break below 29 cents because that would put into question the larger thesis that this is a wave 1 to the upside, which topped in March, and a wave 2 to the downside here. That would be too deep for a wave 2. Yeah, that's my update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.